come with me to get my first sew-in ever? Let's do it. We are in the blow drying process. So let me catch y'all up real quick because y'all haven't seen me in a while and I didn't even plan on vlogging this. I had in some plaits. Boom. They were like a last minute colored plaits, and I took them out, and a stylist from Toronto was coming to Miami and she wanted to collab for content and just like, you know, do hair, blah 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 blah. And I was like, her styles are like wigs and like sew-ins and stuff like that, and I've never had a sew-in. The only thing I've done is like wear those kinky curly wigs, which y'all have seen me do over the years, but that's about it. So long story long, after much deliberation and much searching, I decided to get a sew-in. I'm gonna do like a kinky straight hair. I got it off of Amazon because I was in a time crunch and I just read some reviews, crossed my fingers, hope for the best. So I took the braids out 3 days ago, washed, conditioned my hair, which is in desperate need of a trim, and then put it into plaits like I always do. Now it's completely dry, and I'm using the Revair Hydrate Nourish Protect spray to just add some water and moisture back to my hair for the blow dry, and then the Kenra blow dry spray just as a little added layer of heat protectant. Even though like I don't think the Revair like causes heat damage for me, I use it literally all the time, but just to be safe. I'm excited, you guys. I put the hair in some shampoo in a bucket just now. I think when I finished this section, I'm gonna rinse out the shampoo and then go in with the conditioner. Oh my gosh. Y'all wish me luck. Please wish me some luck. Because what? Sew-in Lexi? Even though I need a trim real bad, my hair is behaving quite nicely because I gave it a really nice wash, a really good treatment. So she's behaving today. Look at how long my hair is getting. You can't even tell it goes all the way down here. Okay, so I just rinsed out the bowl with the shampoo and the water was a little brown, which I know could be like dye. So I just put some more shampoo throughout all this. I rinsed everything out and just re-shampooed it and then added shampoo to the bowl and blah 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 blah. So that's soaking again in some more shampoo. Have you ever had a sew-in before? Which most people probably have. I feel like it's unusual like that I haven't had one before, but if you've had one before and you have tips, leave them for me. Let me know. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm nervous, especially with my lifestyle and me living in Miami. But I only really have the leave out to tend to, and it's not bone straight. Ooh. So I'm just hopeful that it won't be a mess and a waste of time. And then I was like, I could always just like do like 2 little braids in the front to blend my hair sometimes. I want to with the gem, or you know, keep it wrapped in the front so it doesn't just completely revert. All right, last section is done, which is exciting. If I was responsible, I would have done my blowout last night so that this morning all I have to do is prepare the hair, but responsibility has never found me. She's been looking for me my whole life.
Your skin looks so nice.
Thank you. I was like, let me do a little something to my face so I don't look like I just woke up and got my hair done.
Girl, you know, I'm like, you know what, let me put myself together for her. Let me look cute for her. Perfect. Middle part or side part?
Whatever you want.
Whatever I want?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Do you know what?
I like to be a full transformation.
I like a side part.
Okay.
You look like you put your hair in the middle all the
time.
What side do you want your hair to like fall to?
This will be good. I'm not particular. Honestly,
okay.
I'm not particular about it.
What side do you take your pictures on? That's usually what I ask people.
I guess I'm quick for one of these.
this side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so then we're gonna put, how would I do that? Yeah, me too. Okay, we're doing the same side. Guys, she's saying that I have an accent. Like,
No,
I did not know that we have an accent.
Like, are you gonna say like you cheese me, dog? Like, that's what I want you to hear you
Stop.
say.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. If something's really cheesy, I'm gonna have to say it's cheesing me. That is the one thing you're gonna get me with that. If it's cheesing me, like, there's nothing you can do. But
that's the way for you to say.
Nah. Oh my goodness. I don't think I have an accent. I think because you're making me feel comfortable a little bit, you're getting the little hood a little bit. But
when I saw your Instagram, you had an accent. I was like, wow, it's giving Toronto for sure.
Not you with your country accent talking about I got an accent.
You know, I always hear about like the Miami accent. So
yeah,
I
but it's like everyone's saying that you guys don't have a country accent. But I hear a little twang. There's a little twang.
The braid down is done.
Literally dried in like 2 seconds.
Oh my gosh, I remember using hot comb when I was a kid.
Did you get traumatized?
I wouldn't say that. It was just annoying. Like
my mom never did that to me.
Yeah.
She always braided it.
No, we used to do hot combs like once every like, I feel like once a month or so we would do hot combs.
A lot of people, when I put the hot comb near them, they start tripping out before it even like
comes
near them. I'm like,
I have to just calm myself like, okay, it's gonna be fine.
I don't burn, guys. I don't burn, or else people would not come back.
I have to just calm myself down. The amount of time it would take me to do that, I just could just do it real quick and move on.
I know, it takes so long to connect.
Like the connecting part is, there are the bundles.
Yes, guys. And the base is all flat and ready to go. We're gonna do it without burning her because we don't burn over here, guys. Now you blinking. I did not burn you. Guys, I did not burn her.
No, you didn't burn me. I just saw hot. No, you didn't burn me.
It's the PTSD. I did not burn her.
Look at me burning your clip.
Oh my god. Right after I put on 100, I have a hot. Curl up towards this guy.
Okay.
I feel like this gives me like a nice flip in the end to show whatever, because we didn't do too much layers, so it'll just help kind of make them look more like drastic, and use that Tresemme spray like between
okay
each section.
Now I'll have the clips to look back on.
Clip, or you put your rollers or whatever, and you're good to go.
It's an exchange.
Jordy and Rebecca, so good. And it matches my hair color really
so
nice.
Good, thankfully.
Not me forgetting to end this video, but I was obsessed with the results, and I got some heatless curlers, like those overnight things, and these are the results. This is like day 3. I've gone out at night. We definitely have some frizz, but it's kind of cute. Like, it's giving volume. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know some sew-in tips And if you want any other videos or content ideas from this style, also let me know. Follow me on Instagram because I've been posting like more short form content about this whole experience, and also on my shorts tab as well. Bye.
Why you educate? Taking notes just so I can get it straight.